said that that happened to him in his Daytona, and he said his tranny blew. Who is LouieXIII back again? I am Louie. How you guys doing today, man? This evening, it's a gloomy day. You know where I'm from. As you guys can see in the title and all that, in the thumbnail, we're having a little bit of an issue here with the Scat, man. And I posted it. It was in one of my videos that I did recently. And I talked a little bit about it because it happened in the video, and quite a few people said that they experienced the same thing. So, you know, I figured I might as well make a whole video about it and see what you guys have to say, because it seems like it could be pretty serious. We'll get more into it in a bit, and I'll tell you guys what it is. But first, I'm just gonna try to recreate what happened. Usually, the only time it's happened to me on several occasions, and most of the time when it has happened, or actually every time that it has happened, it's been in track mode. So I'm gonna throw that thing in track mode right now, and I'm gonna try to recreate what has been happening. I see you with the yellow Mustang, the 5.0 with the coyote badge. I like that red coyote badge, man. That thing looks dope. But anyways, like I said, I'm gonna try to recreate this right now and see if I can make it happen, even though I don't really want it to happen. Damn. Let me get back to what we were talking about. I got distracted right there. But even though I don't really want it to happen, because I've heard of things that could go wrong when it does, I'm gonna try to recreate it just to see. Damn, what's going on right there? Man, that thing sounds good, don't it? And to think that's just a stock exhaust with nothing but a muffler delete, man. Mid muffler delete, that is. They did a good job with the exhaust on this. So before we get started, and before I try to go ahead and recreate this issue that's going on here, if you guys enjoy the content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below, tell me what I can improve on, and tell me what you guys want to see next, because all of that really helps in the channel's growth, and I appreciate that greatly, guys. I really do, because, you know, I'm just trying to level up with this content stuff. That way I could bring you guys the best content, the most entertaining content possible. You know, I'm trying to bring a whole bunch of vehicles and a whole bunch of different stuff to this channel, and that doesn't work without the support of you guys. So I appreciate all the love and support, and if you guys enjoy, then just go ahead and do me that favor, and thank you guys so much. And another thing for everybody that's been asking about the merch, it is coming very, very soon. I mean, the merch is ready. I just got to get those samples and make sure that it's up to standards, up to par with how I like things. And then, you know, the website's ready, everything is ready, and we'll be good to go, man. Everyone that's been asking about the merch, you know, saying that they want to buy something, I really appreciate that, man. All right, so I'm gonna throw it into auto mode, because that's usually when it happens. And then the transmission is in track, so let's see if we can recreate this whole little thing. We got to a good spot here in Mexico, and I don't really know why it happens. I just know that it happens when it's in track mode, for the transmission at least. And it's always happened when I'm on the freeway gunning it. So I'm gonna wait for this car right here to pass by, and then I'm gonna gun it, and we'll see if we can recreate it. worst comes to worst, if I can't recreate it, I have a little clip that I could throw in there. It happens when I'm like higher in the RPMs and the transmission doesn't have that much time to shift. But basically, I'll explain it to you guys right now at this point. I don't want to like drag it on for too long. Basically what happens is it's like the transmission forgets to shift, or it just doesn't register. But basically the vehicle just redlines. It gets to the red line and it doesn't shift, and then there's a little pause and nothing happens. And it's kind of like, it startled me a couple times, man, because you're expecting it to shift and it never does. And like I said, it happened in one of my videos and I talked about it. So when I did talk about it, a couple people said it happened to them. And actually one of my boys, my boy Rondo, go follow him. I'll put his YouTube on the screen. Real cool dude, real dope content, does a lot of mods and stuff, so go give him a follow. But he said that happened to him in his Daytona, and he said his tranny blew. So man, I wasn't thinking too much of it. I knew it wasn't normal, but I wasn't like really scared about it until he told me that. Then I was like, what the fuck? Like, you know, I better go get this checked out or looked at or something. But a couple people told me they took it into Dodge, and Dodge didn't really do much about it, which isn't surprising to me because they usually don't really do anything until something happens, you know what I'm saying? It's probably good that we can't recreate it. I was just trying to do it for you guys, you know, not live, but actually while I'm talking about it. But I do have that clip, so I'll go ahead and throw that clip in there for you guys to see, just so you can see what I'm talking about. And I'll throw that clip in there right now. As I get up in here. That's weird too, like, see how it just redlines right there? That's crazy. It does that every now and then. I don't know what the hell that's all about. So as you guys can see in the clip, I go to gun it and the tranny just doesn't shift. You know, it redlines and then there's like a little pause and I have to really like kind of let off. I haven't really kept my foot on the gas. Maybe that's why, I don't know, I'm gonna ask Rondo, but I don't know if he kept his foot on the gas and that's why his tranny blew, or what reason that is. Maybe it's just the luck of the draw with it. But I've always taken my foot off the gas each time it happened, and it's happened around like 3 to 4 times, honestly. It happened pretty early when I had the vehicle, scared the shit out of me because I thought I was fucking up my car, and who knows, maybe I did mess it up a little bit by doing that. But I mean, it's not my fault, you know, the tranny didn't register and, you know, shift in time. But, you know, I don't know what it is. Quite a few people have told me they have experienced this, and I know it ain't normal, you know, so I don't know if it's a defect in the transmission, if the transmission just needs to be reset. A couple people told me they pulled the fuse for it and that took care of it for them, but really I wouldn't know if it takes care of it because it only happens, you know, once in a while. It doesn't happen all the time. So I don't know if that fixes the issue or not, but it could just be a thing with these transmissions, man. Sometimes maybe it moves too quick for them and they can't shift in time. I don't know. But, you know, I'm about to get to the point where I'm gonna start modding my vehicle. You know, I've told you guys a lot. If you're familiar with the content, then you know I'm about to get big into the mods. You know, we're getting some bolt-ons, we're getting the tune and all that. So, you know, it's kind of scary, man, because I don't want to do all that stuff and then this happen, what I'm talking about, and my transmission end up blowing, you know. So if that's happened to you guys, feel free to comment down below. Like last time when we did this, you know, let's create a little forum. Maybe it is a defect in certain transmissions and they should be replaced. I don't know, but let me know if you guys have experienced this and if you've taken it in and what Dodge did about it, if it's even worth it to take it in. Because for me, man, this is my job right here, man. This vehicle is my job. This is my daily. This is what I do. This is the only vehicle I have. So taking this into Dodge and then, you know, them keeping it for however amount of time. Yeah, I get a rental, but I really can't do any content. You know, last time they gave me a damn, what was it, Compass, a 2020, and I was like, all right, cool, man, I could do a review on that. But then I did the review and that was like the lowest views I ever got in the history of my channel. You know what I'm saying? Not too many people were interested in the Dodge Compass, and I don't blame them. I mean, no offense to anybody that has a Dodge Compass, but it's not my style. But it was a smooth ride though, I will say that. If you guys want to check out the review though, I did do like a canyon run with it, so, and the handling is pretty impressive. Other than, you know, you guys can see the review if you want. I will say the handling is impressive and it's a very smooth ride. But as I was saying, man, before I got a little bit off topic, this is my moneymaker, man. So I don't want to have to take my car in unless I absolutely have to, you know, because the more time I spend without it, I drop videos every single day, so I need my vehicle. You know, sometimes I rack up a few videos and then I'll be editing for a few days and putting out videos. But at times like right now, I don't have that content racked up. So right now I'm just recording a video, dropping it the next day. So if I gotta take my car into Dodge, that's gonna, you know, cost me some views, man. I'm trying to keep this content going consistently every single day for you guys. And taking it in to the dealership when I don't have to is messing that up, you know, getting in the way of the bag, man. So if I could avoid that, then I will. So I would really appreciate you guys sharing your knowledge with us if you have experience with this, if you've taken it in. You know, just let us know what Dodge has told you guys, man. I take pride in my channel, you know, being a forum type place where people could come and look in the comments and, you know, get a lot of good information, man. That way they don't have to search wide and far on the internet, in the forums, because sometimes you be there for hours and hours just trying to find something in the forums. So yeah, I mean, basically that's all there is to it. Hopefully it's not that big of an issue. My boy Rondo, he's the only one that told me that his tranny actually blew from that happening. I don't know if that has happened to anybody else. If it has, let us know, because that's kind of scary, man. You know, you guys know that I spend a lot of time in Mexico, man. This baby puts in work. I only have 5,700 miles on it, but she definitely puts in work. So she is a workhorse, man. I do have a warranty, but you know, I just don't want to have to worry about that either way, you know what I'm saying? But that's pretty much gonna do it, guys. That's all I wanted to talk about. Let's try to get this figured out for each other. We got an RT right there, the Dodge Charger. I see you, buddy. Yeah. Hey, that thing looks fire too. I fucks with the Dodge Chargers, man. That's how I be looking, except with the wide body. Sheesh. But yeah, guys, anyways, like I said, that's all I wanted to talk about. Hopefully this information in here helps you guys out a little bit, and hopefully we could kind of get more clarity on the issues that are going on. So like I said before, if you guys enjoy the content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below. And if you really want to show your support, don't skip those ads, man, because it does help a lot. But you know, if you want to skip the ads, I understand, man. You know, do what you do. But if you really want to show the boys some support, then don't skip them ads, please. I appreciate that. And also, like I said, got the merch coming very, very soon, so you guys can stay tuned for that. All links to everything I use and recommend in the description. If you're interested in any of that stuff, go up in there and it's all there for you guys, man. Other than that, who is LouieXIII checking out? I appreciate you guys so much. As I always say, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, baby. Salute.